Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up everybody? Kolping Mbumba here. Welcome back to your IsiXhosa lessons. Today we are breaking down a very interesting IsiXhosa word called Mnqund'ujuliwe. Now, every Xhosa person knows nobody gives a fuck at Mnqund'ujuliwe's crib. The house of Mnqund'ujuliwe is a blissful state among Xhosa people of ungabinamnqund'oba kuthwani ngawe, ngubani, okanye bekutheni. Mnqund'ujuliwe's place is where we go for a real party, not nje into zodlala. Party. We go to Mnqund'ujuliwe's place because it always goes down at Mnqund'ujweezy's. Kukho izijwili, ubungozi, izigebenga, neeMpundulu. Kumnandi, kuyafiwa, Qhusa. Now, Mnqund'ujuliwe is a Xhosa legend that lived a long time ago. Stories have been passed down through AmaXhosa generations about Mnqund'ujuliwe's O.G Mnqund'ujuliwe, because he's an OG, he's a legendary guy. O.G Mnqund'ujuliwe's yacht parties eQhora, his historic interracial orgies eMthatha, and his life-threatening year-end parties eCofimvaba. We've been told about these stories by elders of AmaXhosa. You know, some of them have their dads who lived with the likes of Mnqund'ujuliwe. Mnqund'ujuliwe is a state of mind. It's a state of mind, an innate Xhosa nonchalant attitude. Mnqund'ujuliwe is said to be from the same neighborhood as KwaNja. You might have heard of KwaNja or KwaMama, which is all located at a location known to Xhosa people as Ndise. Mnqund'ujuliwe is very easy to pronounce. It's pronounced as KwaNjUjuliwe. Again, KwaNjUjuliwe. There you go. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. I'm Kolping Mbumba. Peace out.